Ayo, ayo, ayo. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to get black hole event. How to get the black hole. Okay, this is the chocolate rain. The chocolate rain is not that crazy, but the black hole event is. So how you wanna get the black hole event is pretty much play before the update. Play the game before the update drops, and you actually see the black hole event. And for people that actually don't know how it even looks like, there's a picture right here. Picture right here. For some reason I put it above. There you go. So look at the black hole right here, as you guys can see. Also, you can jump like super high. You can jump super high. You can actually jump super high. There's gonna be a new mutation as well, so be prepared, guys. Be prepared for the black hole event. It can actually happen anytime. So that's why I'm just playing in a game, you know. I'm just playing the game. It can happen every time. Usually it could be also random. It could actually be randomized. So it's not really guaranteed. It could be randomized. Usually the developers just have to spawn it in. I hope it's randomized as well, so you can actually just randomly get it while playing the game. Anyways, this is how you get black hole event in Grow Garden. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like the video, subscribe to this channel, guys. Subscribe.